Hey explorers, welcome to the garden. Today we're gonna be picking some Scotch bonnet and some red ghost peppers. They are finely red and ready to be dehydrated. We're gonna be cooking them all year round.
They were spicy.
Are they really spicy?
Yes.
Okay, let's go and pick some peppers. Okay, Seja, we're gonna be picking the peppers, but you have to make sure you wear gloves. So here is a pair of gloves. You're gonna put them on. Because if you don't wear the gloves, the peppers is so spicy it can irritate your skin.
Yeah,
so you need to wear the gloves.
It will make your skin red.
Yes, it will make your skin get red. This is the Scotch ghost pepper. You see how it's red? This is the ghost pepper. So what's the difference between the ghost pepper and the Scotch bonnet?
Because the
how do you know this one is a ghost pepper and this one is a Scotch bonnet?
Because this one is orange, this one is red.
That's perfect. Yes, that's how you can tell the difference. This one is orange and this one is red. We're gonna wash the pepper station to remove any dirt. As of right now we don't need any soap. We're just gonna use a strainer and some water to just remove the dirt from there. Okay, so we're just gonna put some water in there. So now we wash the peppers and we let them dry. Now we're gonna go ahead and slice them in half so that we can dehydrate them. Remember, the seeds hold the heat, so imperative that you wear safety gloves if your skin is sensitive to the hot peppers. Alright guys, so now we're done. We have our peppers all cut up. So we're gonna go ahead and put it inside the oven. I do not have a dehydrator, so I'm gonna be using my stove as the dehydrator. I'm gonna set it up for 125 to 135 Fahrenheit. So guys, there you have it. We dehydrate our Scotch bonnet and our ghost peppers. They are now golden brown, and these are golden red or red. So now we're gonna go ahead and shred them or blend them, and we're gonna turn them into pepper flakes. You can have them into soups, into your foods, or different salads as well.
Or pizza.
Yeah, pizza. You like pizza, right? Yeah, pizza.
You don't want spicy pizza. I want to do it too. You can blend it.
Go ahead.
Say.
Okay guys, there you have it. We blend our ghost pepper and our Scotch bonnet. Which one do you think is spicier?
The ghost pepper.
The ghost pepper is spicy, baby? How you know?
Because
The smell.
yeah, because when you put in the jar and smell it, you said that one is still spicy.
Got you. Yeah, it was very
let's
spicy.
do it in the wood.
Alright guys, there you go. If you like these spicy adventure videos, please give us a...
Please rate and subscribe. See you in the next time, guys.
Alright guys, you take care.